You gotta love Northeast Ohio and all the beautiful weather we get on and off, right? Well, here's something we always have to contend with. Stuff falling from these beautiful trees that surround us. We got leaves, we got sticks, we got all kinds of stuff that fall in. Let me introduce you to Ken right now from the Gutter Boys. Ken, good to see you.
Hey, thanks so much for coming.
We are here and we're at an install where you're installing a system, what system is it?
The Valor gutter guard system.
The Valor gutter guard system, and
Yeah.
these gentlemen are up on the roof doing it right now. Let's take a close look at what they're actually installing.
All right, so this is the Valor gutter guard system. So what it is, it's a stainless steel micro mesh with an aluminum frame, vertical louvers, just optimal for water shedding.
So when these kind of things fall and everything and clog up an average gutter that doesn't have this kind of protection, this stuff especially can turn into concrete, in my opinion.
Absolutely.
Because it just really clogs. You know?
Yeah.
It's like a sponge almost, and it doesn't move. This actually enables it to just fly right away.
Yeah, the micron, 440 micron mesh is optimally sized, so it's not gonna let any debris in. It's gonna let maximum water flow through. So this, you know, with the S-curve, you can see the contour, the S-curves. It's raised up, so it allows for the shedding of debris much easier.
So the wind, this dries out, the wind just comes and...
Wind and rain will drive the debris right off this, and it's at about a 10 to a 12 degree angle.
And this isn't going to rust?
No, stainless steel, and then obviously you've got the aluminum frame.
Right, no doubt. Now, this is not the first time that you've been involved in this. This is actually what you started with years ago. Tell me the story, Ken.
Yeah, so we started actually right down the street in 2001. Just me and Anthony were just going gutter cleaning door to door. And
how old were you back then, Ken?
About early 20s.
Okay,
yeah.
so this was brand new for you.
Yeah.
Not even a business, so to speak.
Yeah.
I mean, you just said, all right, we gotta make some money here. Let's do it.
Yeah, McDonald's
doors.
money. Yep.
Right.
And we were just going door to door, cleaning gutters. We grew. This was one of our customers we've been doing for over 10 years. So we've grown to a very large gutter cleaning company, extremely skeptical about gutter guards. That's why I think we're uniquely positioned, because we were so skeptical because we interacted with more guards than any other company.
You saw what people were getting on their houses and said, this doesn't work. This doesn't work, this doesn't work, and then of course you're cleaning around those systems.
Absolutely.
So when did you decide to suddenly, let's do this the right way?
Well, again, we wanted to install what worked, and so we went with the Valor system because we just felt like it was perfectly optimized to do what it needs to do. You got to keep debris out of your gutters, and you need to allow maximum water flow. A lot of gutter guards will do one, but not both.
Well, this is an awesome opportunity to see it live and in action, so to speak here. Ken, as far as the install, these guys obviously know exactly what they're doing, and they're doing something I don't want to do.
I don't either.
I don't want to climb the ladders, you know, and you know, it seems that people, I beg, especially the older people watching, stay off the ladders, stay grounded. Gravity's a very powerful thing. Let the professionals do this. But the nice thing about this is that once these are installed, these ladders are going to be obsolete.
You can maintain these from the safety of the ground. That's a beautiful thing. I've climbed my fair share of ladders. I like to stay on the ground. With this system, you can do just that.
And it's very simple to get in touch with the Gutter Boys, isn't it?
Yep. Our phone number is 440-454-7040. The website's thegutterboys.com, and right now you can save $500 off a whole house Valor gutter guard install.
That is huge, because your prices are considerably lower than a lot of the competition that doesn't work quite as well.
Absolutely. You will be very happy with the price.
All right, thegutterboys.com. There it is. Ken, let me clean this off for you once and for all. This is an awesome system. Definitely look into the Gutter Boys.